And some of you might be better at user stories, some of you might be still learning it. Don't worry about that. Today, idea is to not just focus on user stories. If you have already written them, it will help you further practice it. But idea is to have a bird eye view, entire end-to-end process of a customer journey. Because whether, I mean, Prasanna and Shiv, that will also help you in case of product management. So in the last session, we talked about customers, problems, and so on. And anyway, that is relevant for a BA. So this is relevant for all of us here. So in this exercise, we are essentially going to map the entire customer journey. And this is also sometimes referred as user story mapping. So if you look at this document, you can see it, right?
Yes, yes.
So you are essentially working as a business analyst. And we are at a very early stage. We are trying to design this new app where your users can search for recipes based on ingredients, cuisine, and so on. So for example, if I open that app and I want to search for, let's say, I can just type South Indian cuisines or Andhra cuisines or Chettinar. Do you guys know about Chettinar?
No, sir.
Okay. What about you, Prasanna or Shiv?
Yes, sir, I heard.
So let's say you want to know more about it, right?
Mm.
So maybe you can search on that. If somebody is following any specific diet, it could be for health issues or just for fitness,
Mm.
and they should have. So think, when I'm saying these things, think in terms of features. So for example, right now, if I open some, let's say I'll open Zomato. If you want, you can open Zomato or Swiggy. And here, if I look at the various um, cuisines, there will be options. I mean, on the top, it is giving me something like burger, pizza, thali, North Indian, sandwich, paneer, those kind of things, right? So this is a similar app, but instead of food delivery, this is giving you information about certain recipes. You can save them, you can create and share your own recipe. In fact, it could be a good $1 billion idea, I think. A lot of people might use something like this. So, your first exercise is to understand who is your primary user. And in order to do that, you define what is called user persona. Is How many of you have heard about user persona before? I might have talked about it, I might have referred to it casually, but do you understand what a user persona is?